Our outer environment mirrors our inner world. At Houseplay, we love it when clients give us the opportunity to design spaces that reflect their aesthetics as well as their values. Minimalist sustainable living is a core value of the owners of this Jersey City apartment. They embodied these values when they chose to remain in their one-bedroom home, continuing to occupy a small footprint even as their family grew. The Houseplay team created a nursery by reconfiguring a storage room. We added a closet in the living room to accommodate the music equipment and other storage items while keeping the space streamlined. A second closet was repurposed for a washer-dryer to support the new parents' desire to use cloth diapers. We removed a 15-year-old vinyl tub, which did not reflect their taste, and replaced it with a porcelain tub and tiled surround. Here's what our clients had to say. The design team were creative and good listeners. We were away during the renovation, and it was impressive how Houseplay found ways to make the problems created when you knock out walls and move closets just go away. Everything was well thought out and looked seamless when we returned. It was on time and on budget. If you want to create a home you'll love living in, visit hprnj.com and contact us today.